Hi everyone, today I'll tell you how to fix a flipped Windows 10 display with a shortcut key. Sometimes, you may encounter an issue where your Windows 10 screen display appears flipped or upside down, making it difficult to use your computer. Fortunately, there is an easy solution to this problem, and that is by using a simple keyboard shortcut. To fix this issue, simply press the Ctrl, Alt, and Up arrow keys together on your keyboard simultaneously. This will restore your screen display to its default settings and fix the flip display issue. If the above shortcut key doesn't work for you, try using these alternative shortcut keys. If the shortcut keys don't work, you may need to check your display settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Under Orientation, select Landscape from the drop-down menu, and it will fix the issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.